สวัสดีค่ะ Today I'm going to make chicken Panang curry. Chicken Panang curry can be served with sticky rice or steamed rice. And today I'm going to make this Panang curry served with vermicelli rice noodles. And it can be for a party and easy to eat. I call this Panang curry birth in the nest. Let's check the ingredients of this dish. The ingredients are coconut milk, oil, chicken, soy sauce, coffee, lime leaves, garlic, sugar, curry paste. And last two ingredients, vermicelli rice noodles and cucumber. Usually I don't put the quantities of ingredients on the clip, so please check on my blog. And following are the steps of making this dish. I'm going to cut kaffir lime leaves first and follow with lemongrass and chicken. As usual, the easiest way to cut kaffir lime leaves into narrow strips is stack and roll the leaves lengthwise and cut. For the lemongrass, take out one or two old outer layers and cut very fine like this. For the chicken, cut each chicken breast lengthwise into 3 pieces, and from each piece, cut diagonally into ½ inch thick. Cut like this, the chicken will not fall apart easily or too tough. And then mix chicken with chopped garlic, sugar, and fish sauce or soy sauce. Place a pot on a little bit over medium heat. Add oil and curry paste. Stir and cook curry paste until you smell a waft of aroma. And then add chicken and mix the chicken into the curry paste well. Now I'm going to add coconut milk and cook until the liquid is bubbling, and reduce the heat to be medium heat, and let it simmer until the chicken is tender. It takes about 20 minutes, and remove from the heat. In a large pot with boiling water on high heat, add salt and vermicelli rice noodles. Cook noodles until they're soft, about 2-3 minutes, and drain well. Now I'm going to roll the noodles while they're still hot with a fork to make a small bundle as a serving. Now we have curry and noodles done. Put some cut cucumber pieces as a side dish, and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you next video.